Welcome back to Data Solution. I hope you're doing very well. In this lecture, I will show you demo on skipped activity in Microsoft Fabric Data Factory. So before going to start demonstration on this activity, I request you to please subscribe the channel and like this video if you find this video helpful. Now let's get started. A skipped activity in Data Factory allow you to execute SQL statement within a data pipeline activity. You can use a skipped activity to perform data manipulation language, for example DML, update, delete, insert. Like this you can perform using this script activity. It support Azure database, Azure Synapse Analytics, SQL Server, Oracle and Snowflake as well. Use cases of this script activity: common use cases including truncating table, creating or altering database object, running a store procedure on data pipeline itself. So these are the common use cases of script activity. So now let's switch back to Microsoft Fabric and let's get start demo on this activity. Here is the home page of Microsoft Fabric. Let's press F11 to maximize this screen. Let's go to workspace and use here Data Factory workspace. Let's create new pipeline. Click on this new item and click on pipeline. Let's name it PL script demo. Click on create button. Let's go to activity tab. Click on three dots and under you can see here transform section. You can see here script activity. Click on this to add in canvas, and this is the null tab. You can name here this activity script demo. Activity state should be activated. Go to here setting tab. Now let's use here training. WH means training warehouse for this demo, and I want, you can see here query and non-query. In query you can use select statement, non-query you can use DML statement. For example update, delete and update, insert, delete, and you can also use here select statement as well. So let us use one of the our data warehouse. In this we have training warehouse. So let's wait for open this warehouse, and in this warehouse we have a schema DBO and we have one of the table. You can see here TVL trip city bike, and let's use, I have some query already prepared. So let's use this simple query: select a star from this table TVL city trip city bike data. Select a star means selecting all column and all records from this table. So let's go to here pipeline now and let's use this select statement. First let's use for query. So click on this pencil icon to put here query. Let's use here select star from, this is the warehouse name, this is the schema, and this is the table name. And we simply use here select star from this table means selecting all row and all column from this table. Click OK, and you can see here query is added. You can also use parameter. We will see also demo how to add parameter in this query. So let's run first this query. Save this. You can also use here validate tab to validate this pipeline. Your pipeline has been validated means no error. Let's close this and now run this pipeline. Here you can see here pipeline status in progress, activity name, script demo, activity status in progress. This is the runtime and this is the pipeline run ID. Here you can see notification pipeline is succeeded. Click on this to see output. Here row count is 5000 and this is the first row. This is the JSON format, key value pair. Key means column and value means its column value. This is first row, this is second row, and this is third row. In JSON format is called first element, second element, and third element, and so on. Okay, so let's close this. Again click on this. Now let us use some parameter. For example, let's go to first. Here if you execute this query, you can see here rideable type city bike, and this is also electric bike. If I run this with distinct from this column, You can see here classic bike and electric bike. So let's filter with this rideable type, which is classic. So let's now go to here pipeline, click on this activity, and to add parameter, first we need to add here skipped parameter. So let's add here skipped parameter and name it skipped parameter, which is rideable type. This is string data type of value. So let's use here string and type here classic bike. Okay, and direction here is input. We input to in query, and after that we need this parameter name in query. So click on this where readable type is column name, where readable type equal to, then at the rate this parameter. Okay, so click on this, and now if you save this first pipeline and now run this, now pipeline is succeeded. Click on this, let's click on this. You can see here readable type only classic bike, rideable type classic bike. Let's now use electric bike. So close this. This is not dynamic parameter. If you want to dynamic, we need to add parameter. Let's click on anywhere in this canvas, and you can see here parameter. Let's add here parameter. Let's use here p parameter rideable type. This is string data type, and let's leave here default value. And now click on this, and here in value let's use here dynamic, and click on this. And now if you run this activity, it's pop up during runtime. You can see here pipeline parameter. So let's use now electric bike and click OK. Now this pipeline is running. Now this pipeline is succeeded. So let's see pipeline output. You can see here rideable type now electric bike. Okay, so let's close now. Now let's see here non-query activity. So let us suppose we want to create here copy of this table. So copy this and click on this non-query and click on this pencil icon. Let us suppose we want to copy, create this table as a copy in same database as, let's remove this pipeline parameter and click OK. And also let's delete here skipped parameter. You can also delete here pipeline parameter. Click on this and delete. And now let's run non-query activity on skipped activity. So save this and run this. While running, you can see meanwhile there is no any table for copy. If you refresh this, you can see here pipeline is fail. So let's see incorrect syntax near training. Okay, so let's see what is incorrect syntax. I forget to write here table. So now let's run again. Now this table is succeeded. You can see here table is succeeded. Now let's go to here training warehouse, and if you refresh now, here table is created. Copy of TVL tip city bike and we have copy this table as well. If you click on this, you can see your data. Okay, so that's all about in this video. In this video we have see here demo on script activity. So if you find this video helpful, please subscribe this channel and like this video. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day. See you in next video. Thank you.